two songs for you tonight. One's about losing somebody, and the other's about finding somebody. So that's nice and balanced, isn't It's all too late in all the even speaking you on the phone. I remember the last time we laughed. Whole lifetime has passed. You were rolling on empty. Didn't know how to tell me. I know now I let you down. Gone the world's upside down. I ran to the sound of your drum, just to see you fall down like this. Just to see you fall down like this. Everything just went to hell when you settled with that guy you found. You walked away from your love and only stayed by the time. Slipped away from all but had no sense of losing trust. Became so scared of the dark. Did you feel like it was all too hard? And I ran to the sound of your drum, just to see you fall down like this. Just to see you fall down like this. Still need you to know I loved you so. Tonight I held you close, told you that you might have both. I knelt and I begged you to stay, not to watch you drift away. I tried to let you down, left you alone in this tight old town. Couldn't bring you with me, girl. Couldn't find a way to stay around, but I ran